Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Connecteam App for beginners. Start by opening the Connecteam app on your mobile phone. Once the app opens, you will see two options on the screen. One option is to log into an existing account, and the other option is to create a new company. If you already have an account, you can log in with your details. But if you are new to the platform, tap on Create a New Company to begin setting up your workspace. After that, you will be taken to the sign-up page. Here you need to enter your personal details. Start by typing your first name and then your last name. After that, enter your email address carefully. Make sure you use an email that you can access because it may be needed later for verification and account recovery. Then create a password for your account. Try to create a secure password using letters and numbers so your account stays protected. Once you finish entering your details, tap on the button that says Let's Go. The app will now move you to the next setup screen. Here you need to enter your company name. Type in the correct business name and then tap Next or Continue. Now the app will ask for your job title. You can enter titles like owner, manager, or any role that best matches your position in the company. Once you enter your title, tap Next to continue. After that, you will be asked how many employees your company has. Select the option that matches your business size. This helps the app customize features and recommendations for your workspace. Next, you need to select your company type or industry. You will see several business categories listed on the screen. If you cannot find your exact business type, tap on Other. This helps organize your workspace and may also customize templates and settings for your business needs. After selecting your company type, the app will ask how many branches your company has. If you have more than one branch or office location, enter the correct number. If you only have one branch, simply select one and continue. Now you will see a list of features that you can add to your workspace. This is one of the most important parts of the setup process because these features define how you will use the app. You will see tools like time clock, schedule, forms, task management, chats, updates, and more. The time clock feature allows employees to clock in and out directly from the app. The schedule feature helps you manage shifts and work schedules. Forms allow you to collect reports and information from users. Task management helps assign tasks and monitor progress. If you are not sure which features you need, you can simply select all of them. This gives you access to the complete platform, and later you can decide which tools are most useful for your business. After selecting the features, continue to the next step. Now the app will ask for your mobile number. First, select your country from the list. After selecting the country, enter your mobile number without the country code because the app already adds that automatically based on your selection. Once you enter the number, continue to the next step. The app may take a few moments to set everything up for your company workspace. During this process, it creates your dashboard and activates the features you selected earlier. After the setup is complete, you will be logged into the app automatically. At this point, you may see a tutorial video appear on your screen. This video gives a quick overview of what the platform can do and explains the main tools inside the app. If you are completely new, watching the tutorial can help you understand the platform faster. But if you want to explore everything yourself, you can skip the tutorial and continue directly to the homepage. Once you are on the homepage, you will notice several quick actions at the top of the screen. These are shortcuts that help you access important features quickly. You may see options like Quick Tasks, Time Clock, Directory, and Schedule. Under these quick actions, you will see a clock and button. This feature is used for attendance and work tracking. If you tap on the clock and button, your work session will begin immediately. While your session is active, the timer keeps running in the background. During your shift, you can also tap on Start Break whenever you take a break. This helps track your working hours more accurately. Once your break is over, you can continue the session. At the end of your shift, you can tap End Session to clock out. This is useful for businesses that need accurate attendance and payroll records. Now go back to the homepage and look for the Share Something option. Tap on it and the app will prompt you to create an update. This feature works like an announcement or message system for your team. You can add a title to your update and type your message. You can also attach different types of content such as files, images, videos, and even locations. For example, a manager can send a company update with a PDF document attached, or an employee can share a photo from a job site. After adding the content you want, tap Send to publish the update. Your team members will then receive the update inside their app. At the bottom area of the homepage, you may also notice a tutorial progress timer. This encourages new users to complete the onboarding tutorial. If you complete all tutorial steps, the app may reward you with a $15 coupon or promotional credit, depending on the current offer available in your region. Now move to the Assets section inside the app. This section contains all the major features and tools available in your workspace. At the top of the screen, you will see a search bar. You can use this search bar to quickly find a specific feature instead of scrolling through the menu. Inside the Communication tab, you will see the Chats option. Tap on Chats and you will enter the messaging section. Here you can send direct messages to employees or communicate with groups. This works similarly to a normal messaging app and makes communication much easier within the company. In the same communication section, there is also a directory option. Tap on it and you will see a list of all users inside your workspace. From here you can call or chat with any employee directly. This is useful when you need to quickly contact someone without searching through messages. Now go back and open the operations section. This section contains tools related to daily company operations. One of the main features here is the time clock tool. Tap on it and you will see options like clock in, start break, my requests, and timesheets. The my requests section shows requests you have submitted, such as time off requests or attendance adjustments. The timesheet section displays your recorded work hours and attendance history. Now go back again and tap on forms. This feature allows you to create and complete forms directly inside the app. You can create reports, inspections, surveys, or checklists. While creating a form, you can select a user, upload images, add ratings, type notes, and even sign the form using your digital signature. This is extremely useful for businesses that need paperwork completed in the field. Once the form is complete, you can send it directly to another user or manager through the app. Now go back and select the schedule option. Here you can view your work schedule and assign shifts. You may see your daily schedule, upcoming shifts, availability, and replacement requests. The availability section allows employees to mark when they are available to work. Replacement requests allow employees to request another worker to cover their shift if needed. Managers can also configure scheduling settings and adjust shifts from this section. Next, go back to the operations section and tap on Quick Tasks. This feature allows you to create and assign tasks. To create a task, enter a title and then choose the person responsible for completing it. You can also add more details such as due dates, instructions, files, or notes. This feature is useful for assigning daily responsibilities and tracking progress. Now move to the HR and Skills section. In this section, you will find tools related to employee management. One of the main features here is time off. Tap on it and you will see multiple leave options such as vacation leave, sick leave, unpaid leave, and other custom leave types created by the company. Employees can submit leave requests directly from the app, and managers can approve or reject them quickly. After that, tap on the Chats tab at the bottom of the app. Here you will see all your conversations in one place. To create a new chat, tap on the plus icon at the top and select the person you want to message. Now, move to the Profile tab. This section contains your personal workspace information. Here, you can view your submissions, updates, completed forms, and shared content. You can also view your personal activity history and manage your personal information. Inside the settings area, you can customize notifications, app preferences, and account settings. There is also a support center option where you can get help if you face any problems while using the app. If you work with multiple companies, you can use the Switch Company option to move between different workspaces easily. Finally, there is the Admin section. This section is mainly for company owners and administrators. Here you can view all users and admins in the company. If you are the owner, you can manage employee permissions, approve time off requests, and monitor employee activity. Inside the Admin section, you will also see many of the same features we discussed earlier, including updates, time clock, forms, and schedules. The difference is that administrators have more control over these features and can manage them for the entire company. Take some time to explore each feature carefully so you can fully understand how the app works. The more you use the platform, the easier it becomes to manage employees, schedules, communication, and daily operations directly from your mobile device. That brings us to the end of this complete beginner tutorial for the Connecteam mobile app. Thanks for watching.